First impressions of the DJI Osmo are that it's absolutely awesome. I hopped on the bike, was riding with one hand and carrying it, and it was giving me a beautiful, smooth panoramic shot, as if I had a professional gear camera, and it only cost 200 bucks. It gives you the ability to do an awesome crane shot, so you can track your subjects as they stand up. It also gives you the ability to pan and walk, so you have a nice, smooth movement, and you're able to move with your camera. The other option is to do a selfie. The ability just to change the backdrop and add excitement to what you're saying really creates a much more dynamic and interesting video than a straight up static shot sitting in your living room. So, as per my decision, it's an absolute must have. You gotta buy one, order it now, there's no point in waiting. Absolutely packed on Dundas Street today. There's tons of people out. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. The whole street's shut down all the way from Ossington to Lansdowne, and thousands of people have come out, brought their friends, family, kids. A lot of people are walking around on a date, doing little hand-holding things. So if you need to meet someone on Tinder, bring them here. There's an awesome variety of food out there today. There's a Portuguese butcher grilling up meats and sausages, doing hamburgers. There's soft serve ice creams and trucks all along.